So ladies and gentlemen, we're about to set some tester fireworks off. Dean's aiming it towards the sea. Dean, anything you'd like to tell us?
No, just going towards the sea, the rockets, and then you've got a little fountain there.
So this is basically a tester rocket to check it stays away from everybody and it's aimed towards the sea.
Yep, basically.
This is like a health and safety firework.
Yeah,
This video is called Health and Safety Firework to protect the people watching all along the seawall. See them there? That's the seawall about 400 or 500 metres away. So we're going to set off this tester and I'm going to film it.
And then we've got the one down there as well.
So we're going to test that as well, yeah? Lovely, let's test this. This is the tester firework, everybody. Wait for it. Wonderful, that went well, that test. Let's test this one now. Test in 1, 2. Lovely. That's good. But at least it's safe. Let's bounce up now. And that was testing 2 fireworks, and that would be a successful test. Would you say, Dean?
Yeah.
They went in the right direction. They did exactly what they're meant to do on the tin, yeah?
Yeah, exactly that.
So there you go. That's why we test them first off to check everybody's safe. That's right, isn't it, Dean?
Yeah, that's it, mate, definitely.
And there you go. That is how you test fireworks at a firework display for the kids in Jaywick. Shine on. Oh, it's the year 2021, if anyone wants to know. It could be the year 2020 or the year 2019, but no, it's the year 2021. This is how to safely test fireworks.